Assalamualaikum, back again with this new video of Face CTF walkthrough of this challenge. You have been Ransomwared, Steganography and Cryptography challenge. Deadface is taunting Litarco with their latest ransomware attack. According to our intel, the attackers like to leave a calling card in their attacks. If we can figure out which Deadface actor executed this attack, we might be able to figure out a way around paying. Can you find anything in this screenshot that might point to which attacker ran the ransomware attack? So we need to find attacker name. Submit the flag as flag attacker name. To download the image, we need to open that link. We are going to use VirtualBox to download the image because it's secure. Saving to 4M. Move ransom.png. Let's open AppResolve. So what is AppResolve.com? It's basically an open source tool. We can find GitHub repo for this tool. We can use this one to host in our machine, or we can use this website. So let's upload the image ransom.png to this website. So it gives us the result informations. Here we can find some names. Let's view its RGB results, and it's also give JSTAG, tag hide, outcase, exif tool, WinWalk for most strings, PNG check results. It's a great tool for steganography. And we can see we got our solution here. So there are some binary code inside this image. So let's save this image. To save, we can click on it. It's downloaded. Image RGB 6.png. We need to read the binary code. So we are going to use image2 text.io to automate it, because it can take some time to do it manually. So here it is. Our binary code. To decrypt it, we are going to use this one, CyberChef. So from binary, we can get this one. This ransomware brought to you by Mirvi, and there are some error. So let's check the code. Here it is 8. We have to replace it with 0. The mistake from this one image to text converter. We can check it manually and correct it from here. So this ransomware brought to you by Mirville. So the attacker name is Mirville. So let's check the flag. It's working or not. Flag attacker name Mirville, and it's a correct flag. So we use 3 tools here. Image to text, normal tool, so we are ignoring it. We use EverySolve, a open source tool which gives us various results from various tools in single page, and it's a steganography tool, and it is a cryptography tool. It's also a all-in-one tool named CyberSafe. So we used it to decrypt this one. Thank you for watching this video. Jazakallahu khairan.